Hey, welcome to another video about making easy, fast money online by using AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube videos with AI, and it only takes a few minutes. As you see on YouTube, there are many channels that gather millions of views, and all these videos are relaxing meditation videos to help people fall asleep or relax while studying. These videos are also longer and people watch them for a long time, thus helping with watch time. Today, I'm going to show you how to make videos like this, but only with AI. First, go to Ava. It's a cool website that creates music for you. Sign up and click on it, create track. This will create a meditation song with AI. Sounds good. You're going to use this for the background music of our video. Download it and let's move on. To find rain sounds, go to Pixabay, another cool free website where you can find anything from photos, videos, and sound effects. Go search sound effects and find a good rain sound or any sound you want for your video. This is perfect. Download it and on to the next site. Go to ChatGPT, a cool AI writing website that is free. This is where we are going to get the written text for our video. Go into the text field and type, "Write me a breathing exercise for sleep," and ChatGPT will generate the text. You don't have to write a thing. It'll do it for you. I know, pretty sick. Now go to Play HT. This is a cool website that is text to speech. Find the right voice for you.
Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down.
I'm going to pick this one. Perfect. Copy the text into the field. And make sure you generate all. Wait for it to generate. Download as a single file and move on. After it's finished, copy the text and go to the website. Runway AI. This is a very cool AI website that creates videos. You could try Pixabay and find a video of a relaxing river, but today I want to show you that I can create 100% of the video. So go to Runway and click on Gen 2 text to video. Here you type anything you want for a video. For example, I want to get a video that shows a relaxing stream during a rainstorm. So I'll type in "show me a relaxing stream of water with rain" and wait as it generates. This looks good. You can try again if you don't like the video. If you'd like it, you can also extend the video to be longer than 4 seconds. Download the video. Now the fun part, putting your video together, go to a video editing software. I'm using Final Cut and put together all the files. Make it how you want, place the rain video and then the voice audio clip and the rain sounds and music.
A simple and effective breathing exercise for sleep is the 4-7-8 technique, also known as the relaxing breath method.
After you are done editing, listen to how it sounds. That sounds good, very relaxing. Export the video and upload it to YouTube. Easy, easy, that is all it takes. Good luck and thanks for watching.